Welcome back to the channel. Today we are unpacking the coolest tech, and I'm super excited to show you how you can create your own voice agent. So, what is an voice agent? So, the voice agent is combined speech and reasoning ability of the foundation models to deliver real-time human-like voice interactions. What does it means? So if you are talking to any of the customer care, so you're gonna get an agent and he's responding to your queries. But the challenge is with the customer agent, they have to go back and fetch a few records and details, and they are coming back and going to give the information. But when you build a voice agent, what is going to do it, right? It takes your input, and then it will going to create our personalized voice agents. So it knows how you're going to communicate, what is your rate of speech, and the style of like talking to each other, and it's going to gives you very minimum latency and any kind of a critical interactions. You can do that. So the real time use case is a personalized skill development and conduct the interviews. Like you can go and talk to your voice agent and handle the staff or restaurant customer care, where some of the organization which might not have the huge fund to keep maintain the customer care department for the restaurant bookings or sales ones. So this gonna help the voice agent to have the interactive way to understand the audio to text or speech to text conversion and store the data, and further we can do the top of the analytics on that. So what is an voice agent? So you take the input of that the speech to text and take it back to the LLM, right? And you define the workflow within the LLM with the pipelines, and then convert the text to speech, and it will gonna really synthesize the human-like voice, and it's gonna respond to your queries into a human way of responding to it. So, how to build the voice agentic stack, the components, right? So, the major challenge with building the voice agents. So, uh, so the voice should, whenever someone talks it, right, it has to be continuously listen and try to answer it, but it should knows like when it's gonna be detect the voice, how he's talking to it, and when he stops it. So the voice activity detection is a major thing, like the presence of like human voice, whether human is talking or someone else is talking. That's a major things. And then automatic the speech to text.